So I'm going to show you how to start a basic weed eater. This is a Ryobi expanded 4-cycle S430. So most of us in the instructions, but they don't write those that well. And I've watched a couple people try to crank these small engines before and have trouble. So but you start, most engines have a bubble on the back. This is to prime it to put fuel in the fuel lines. So we're just going to push that. It has a number to do first, but basically I look to see how much fuel is going in, and you kind of can feel when it starts to get full. If you put too much, you can flood it. Figure more is better, because if it's not in there good enough, it's not going to go. And you can see how many I'm pushing in there right now. And I start to feel, to get tight, I can feel the pressure inside the bubble. So I'm going to turn that around. We'll go full choke. It's kind of warm out here in the sun, around 80 degrees. If it's really cold, definitely need that full choke. So but we're pushing it all the way here to full choke on that blue part. And when it starts to crank a little bit, we immediately put it to the half choke. Start it full. To give it gas on this model, you have to put the safety lever down to give it some gas on that, but we're gonna start out not touching that. See, as soon as you hear that noise, it starts to go a little bit, that means you can put it at half choke. Put it right there in the middle, it's right behind that blue line. All right, this time I might give a little gas and feel it start to go.